You will see your clips appear in the bin window. There, you may rename your clips or begin to work with them. In addition, you may drag other video material that you may have directly into the bin window, or alternatively, into the timeline itself. The timeline, located along the bottom of the screen, has two view modes: clip mode or conventional timeline mode. The timeline is a visual representation of the progression of your video. Therefore, the beginning of the video is located on the left, progressing to the end located to the right. Often it is easier to use the clip mode to arrange your shots, dragging them from the bin window to the timeline and then moving them as necessary. The clip mode allows you to arrange the shots in a general order, but to be more precise, however, you will want to use the conventional timeline mode. If you would like to save a shot for later use, it is also possible to drag clips back into the bin. The small slider in the lower left controls the zoom on the timeline and can be adjusted by moving the control left or right.